To replay faster in chat in the Messages app using quick responses on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Samsung Messages app and then select any conversation you want to replay to. Tap the plus icon next to the text field and then select quick responses. A list of preset messages will appear. Tap any replay and then tap send button to send the message. Given to the function, you can use this feature to respond instantly even when you are busy or prefer not to type. This feature is perfect during meeting, workout, or any moment when typing a full message is not convenient. With just a tap, you can keep conversation going smoothly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.